Hello everyone, this is Dee from the Passenger Element blog, bringing to you today an Influenster VoxBox, and this time it is Yves San Laurent. Beautiful black packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. Once again, I do want to mention that Influenster sent these complimentary products to me for the purposes of testing. Now inside we have a card with the beautiful Cara Delevingne on it. And this is for the Mascara Volume Effet Faux Cils Raise the Volume, Live the Legend Mascara. So inside the box we have beautiful, typical gold YSL packaging. And here it is. Mascara Volume Effet Faux Cils Luxurious Mascara for a False Lash Effect. This is in the color, let's focus here, 1 High Density Black. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Look at that beautiful packaging. YSL does not skimp on how pretty things look. Please excuse my cat in the background. And here we have what the brush head looks like. I've used this a couple of times and I really don't want to ruin anything, so I am going to go ahead and drop a link later on. This will be an upcoming blog post very, very soon. Super excited that I got this, very grateful that I got to try it out, and I will see you guys very soon. Once again, Influenster VoxBox, Yves San Laurent's Mascara Volume Effet Faux Cils Mascara. Thanks a lot and see you guys later.